Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and try a new coach on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with using the application. So once you've started your 7-day free trial, you can get started using all the options you have right here. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can find the workout plan, the chat option and the teams section. So if you want to go and try a new coach, we're going to click on teams. Once you open up teams, it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started taking a look at all the teams and all the coaches that we have. So what you can do is use the filter right here at the top of the screen, where you can go ahead and get started selecting your exercise styles that you want to do, your equipment and ideal workout length, as well as your coach preference. This is going to enable you to filter out the best teams and coaches for your desires. So from here, once you want to start a new team, you can click on the team right here and click try. So this is going to enable you to try out that new coach and that new team option, so you can follow their workouts and start from them. And basically that is how it's done. You can change teams as much as you want and coaches, so don't be afraid. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.